Vegetarian chili.
Bobby, have you ever made vegetarian chili?
Never.
Never. I believe that, too.
If you get a message from me that says, come on over, I'm making vegetarian chili, it's an imposter. If I'm gonna make chili, it's probably gonna be lamb or beef. So I'm gonna keep sort of the palette of my chili the same. Lots of red chilies, tomatoes, pan-roasted eggplants, some portobello mushrooms, and some black beans.
How many different chilies are you using?
At least 4 or 5.
Yeah, Bobby's like, I have to use every chili that I've ever heard of.
I have chipotle chilies, which are kind of smoky. I have ancho chilies, which is like a spicy raisin. I have guajillo chilies, which are kind of fruity. And I have New Mexico chilies, which has a nice earthy background. And then I add some vegetable stocks and then some honey. It really quell the chilies a little bit. It's gonna be a chili chili.
A chili chili.
I'm not surprised.
Oh, Bobby, what's going on over here?
I'm making some chili.
With eggplant?
Yeah. The eggplant emulates meat in many ways.
It's not as good as her idea, though.
Is she using like tempeh or something like that?
I'm not telling you, but it's a good idea.
Really?
What are you making, Bobby?
A charred shishito and avocado relish.
Oh.
The avocado shishito relish is ripe avocados, some green onions, some lime juice, and then charred shishitos.
All right, Bobby. I'm liking the idea of the eggplant. Can I have a taste?
Yeah. I just put some mushrooms in it, too.
Oh, my gosh.
It's terrible, right, Beth?
It's not. It is a little spicy, though.
Spicy, it's spicy. I'm gonna add a little chocolate. It's an old Mexican cuisine trick. It derives from making mole sauces, but it just chills out the chilies.
Bobby, it's very spicy. I don't know, how do you tone that down?
Bobby, are you doing any creams or anything?
I'm gonna use Greek yogurt with like lime and cumin.
As much as I want to rag on him, I'm liking all of his ideas.
So what's going on over here, Bobby?
I'm finishing my chili.
Let me see what's happening. Maybe I can build myself a little bite here.
Sure.
A little avocado, shishito. I'm making my perfect bite.
Yeah, I know, I see that. How is it?
It's good.
At the end, I'm just dicing up corn tortillas. I'm gonna fry them, add a little crunch. The eggplant and mushroom chili go into the bowl. And then on top, I sprinkle some tortilla chips, the Greek yogurt, some of the cotija cheese, queso blanco, and then the avocado pepper relish. I feel like I've been plating for like 20 minutes.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Wow, they really down to the second.
I mean, I think it's a nice bowl of chili. It has sort of the characteristics of eating meat, so we'll see.